No, just weather. Here, get that bird out of your mouth, Big Mama. No, get that bird out of your mouth. Hurry, run!
I'm scared.
Sorry. Hurry, babe. What? Oh, oh, run. Bad girl. No eating birds. Where's the bird? Mm-mm-mm.